As someone who's tested numerous compact computing solutions, the KODLIX GD90 Mini PC presents an intriguing proposition for both professionals and power users. Let me walk you through my experience with this palm-sized powerhouse. Starting with the core specifications, the inclusion of Intel's 12th generation Core i9-12900HK processor immediately sets this device apart from typical mini PCs. With 14 cores and 20 threads peaking at 5.0 GHz, this chip delivers desktop-class performance that handles everything from complex spreadsheet calculations to 4K video editing with remarkable ease. Paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM operating in dual-channel configuration, I found multitasking between resource-intensive applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and multiple Chrome tabs with 4K YouTube playback remain smooth and responsive. The thermal design deserves particular praise. Despite packing such serious hardware in a 2.68-pound chassis, the cooling system maintains acceptable noise levels under load through what appears to be a well-tuned fan curve. Storage options prove equally impressive, starting with a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD that delivers read speeds over 7,000 MB/s in my Crystal DiskMark tests. The inclusion of an expansion bay for 2.5-inch SATA drives adds practical flexibility, allowing users to add bulk storage for media libraries or project archives. Where the GD90 truly shines is in its connectivity suite. The triple 4K output capability via HDMI 2.0, display, port 1.4, and USB-C means this device can drive sophisticated multi-monitor setups ideal for financial trading stations or video production workflows. However, I must note the concerning pattern in user reports about DisplayPort functionality. While my review unit worked flawlessly with a Dell Ultra-Sharp monitor, potential buyers should verify this crucial feature upon receipt. Network performance exceeds expectations with 2.5 Gbps Ethernet, enabling large file transfers at 280 MB/s sustained speeds in my local network tests. Wi-Fi 6E support ensures cutting-edge wireless connectivity, though the real-world benefit will depend on your router capabilities. The port selection impresses with 5 USB ports, including a 10 Gbps USB-C connection, though the placement of 2 USB 2.0 ports on the front panel feels slightly anachronistic in 2025. Day-to-day usage reveals thoughtful software touches like Wake on LAN support and BIOS-level power management options that enterprise users will appreciate. The lack of pre-installed operating system might frustrate less technical users, but provides a clean slate for professionals to implement their preferred environment. Gaming performance proves competent for casual titles. The Iris Xe graphics pushed CS2 at 1080p medium settings around 45 FPS, though serious gamers will still want dedicated graphics. Where the GD90 falters slightly is in its generational positioning. The 12th Gen Intel processor, while powerful, lags behind current 14th Gen offerings in single-threaded performance. This becomes noticeable in synthetic benchmarks like Cinebench R23, where it scores about 18% lower than newer mobile i9 counterparts. However, negligible. The minimalist black chassis maintains professional aesthetics but lacks any distinctive design elements. Build quality feels robust with its all-metal construction, though the lack of any IP rating means it's best kept in clean office environments. Energy efficiency surprised me. During typical office use, power draw hovered around 25 W, making it significantly more efficient than traditional desktop towers. For users comparing mini PCs, the GD90's combination of expandability and raw power creates an interesting middle ground between NUC-style devices and full-size workstations. The inclusion of a 2.5-inch drive bay gives it an edge over many competitors for storage flexibility. Audio performance through the 3.5mm jack proved adequate for video conferences, but lacks depth for media consumption. Most users will want external speakers or headphones. The absence of built-in speakers seems a curious omission at this price point. In conclusion, the KODLIX GD90 carves out a unique niche as a compact workhorse. While not without minor flaws like the potentially problematic DisplayPort implementation and older CPU generation, it delivers exceptional multi-threaded performance in a footprint smaller than most textbooks. For small business owners needing discrete power, home theater enthusiasts building 4K media centers, or IT managers deploying compact workstations, this mini PC warrants serious consideration. Just be prepared to invest in peripherals and verify those display outputs upon unboxing.